UVC light is a powerful, effective sanitizing method, but disinfecting properties that make it powerful enough to kill germs also need to be handled with safety and care. In this video, we'll cover the essential UV safety procedures and best practices. First up, if you're using or operating UVC light, you need to ensure that you're using the proper protective gear. Think of the UV as focused, amplified sunlight. You need to make sure your skin and eyes are covered and protected. We recommend a PPE suit for your body, legs, and arms, and gloves for your hands. If you don't have access to a PPE suit, you can wear multiple layers of clothing. Ensure that the gloves are thick and sturdy, and any type of leather, Kevlar, construction, or plain gloves will protect you from UVC, though lighter gloves may risk minor exposure. Most importantly, however, you must protect your face and eyes. The most thorough form of face protection comes in the form of a UV face shield. If a face shield is unavailable, UV eyewear is essential. To test the effectiveness of your eyewear, place your glasses or goggles between the UV light and a light meter, ensuring that the reading is 0 and no UV light is getting through. Pair your protective eyewear with a mask to keep as much of your face covered as possible. Lastly, fill in the gaps. Depending on your protective gear options, certain areas of your neck or wrist may be exposed. The closer you are to your UV light, the more you risk exposure. Always err on the side of safety and overprotection. Using UVC light safety procedures. First, ensure the room to be disinfected is clear of people and any entrances or exits are locked or marked, so no one risks exposure. Next, place the unit in the room. If activating manually, confirm that your protective gear is in place, then turn the unit on for disinfecting. Leave the room and let the UVC light disinfect the space for 15 to 30 minutes maximum. Confirm your protective gear again and enter the room to turn the unit off. After your first few uses, we recommend testing the effectiveness of the disinfecting, utilizing any or all of our testing methods: an ATP meter, a dosimeter card, and/or a light meter. Links to how to use these testing methods can be found in the video's description. Follow these guidelines for disinfection, and you and your environment will remain safe and sanitized. For more questions or specifics about our product,